Alright, let's go. Let's go and cook him. Alright, boss, let's go. What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Chef Bitsy, and today I present to you a roasted chicken breast sandwich. Yeah, man, we're gonna make it easy, so let's go into the kitchen and cook up some roasted chicken breast sandwich. Alright? Alright, so let me introduce you to my ingredients. So first I have 2 thin slices of chicken breast here that I beat up. I use a little bit of salt, pepper, and just a little bit of all-purpose. Alright? So we're also using our red onion. The reason why I choose the red onion because it has a sweetish taste. So I'm going with the red onion. We also have our lettuce here. Nice lettuce that we're using. Alright? Also using some cheese. Using the pepper cheese, spicy cheese. Alright? Over here you have our red tomato, couple slices that we're using. Also we're using some of this white mayonnaise. Also some mustard. And as you can see, we have our bun here that we're using. Alright? Also, we might use a little bit of this olive oil here just to grease our grill. Alright? Alright, so let's go with a little bit of olive oil here just to grease our grill here. Alright? Alright, so let's go with a little bit of olive oil. Here we're gonna work on our chicken breast nicely right here. Alright? So let's go in with our chicken breast now. We're going to nicely place them on the grill. And we're going to have them roast for about 10 to 15 minutes. Right? Not going to take long. Just have them nicely roast for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so let's turn our chicken breast. Alright, you can see our chicken breast is coming on nicely. Good. Not taking long, man. Nice chicken breast. Alright, so as you can see, our chicken breast is close to ready. Alright, we're gonna go and put our bun on the grill just to get it toasted. Alright, and we're also going with our onion. Alright. Because the onion kind of have a little bit of acid and I don't like to eat the raw onion. So let's have it on the grill for a while the bread bun toasted and the onion just get a few of that grill mark, yeah? Burn out some of the acid from the onion. Alright? Our chicken breast look looking so good, guys, as you can see. Turn our onion. Good. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna go in with our cheese on top of the chicken. Yeah. Good. Alright, so we're going, as you can see, our bun is toasted nicely. We're going to put a little bit of the mayonnaise on it like this. Good. Alright. So now we're going to go in with our chicken. Going with the small piece first, so we're making it like a double whopper. Alright, and let's go in with a few of the roast onion. Right, then we're going to go in with a few of our tomato here. Good. After that, we're going to go in with a little bit, a piece of our lettuce. place look nicely on top here. Alright. Let's go with a little bit of our mayonnaise on top also. This is like a double whopper. Alright. Alright, so let's go back with another piece of chicken right here on top of the bun here. Good. Alright. Now we're going to go in with our rest of onion. Whoa. Look at it, guys. Looking so good. Yeah. Then we're going to go in with our rest of tomato on top here. And then a little bit mayonnaise on top. Let's put it on the bun. Top of the bun here. Alright. This is our chicken sandwich, look guys. Ready? So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Alright guys, this is our roasted chicken breast sandwich. Look at how beautiful it is, guys. Look at how nice it is. Yeah? Yeah man. And there you have it. Our roasted chicken breast sandwich. Make easy in the Fizzy Kitchen. I hope you guys love this recipe. Hope you continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzroy Needham on YouTube, also on Facebook and on Instagram. Look at that cheese running and looking nice, guys. Yeah man, chicken breast sandwich. I'm out.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Nothing is impossible. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river.